In that you have some hot buttons in the top. These are the hot buttons in the top. Okay, the file button, if you click on the file button, you can new page. If you are going for the some new work, you can open the new one. Open if you want to previous work you want to open in this file, then you can open from here. Make a copy of this. Suppose some work you have done in this file, in this page, and you want to make a copy on this, then save as, you know very well, rename, you know very well, save as checkpoint. Where at a various point you want to save on various checkpoints, revert to the checkpoints. Whatever the checkpoints you have made earlier, you can make it. Print you want to do, then download. When there are a lot of options available with the Python to download the things. You can download with these functions: HTML also, LaTeX also, Markdown also, Notebook also, PDF also, Python also. You can download slides if you want to make. You can also download as a slides. Okay, so these are the file hot button. You can do these things with them. Thereafter, the edit button is there. If you want to cut the cell, copy the cell, paste the cell, paste above, paste below, paste cell and replace the cell, delete the cell, undo the cell, split the cell, merge the cell. This is all the functions that we are very much familiar with the Excel. Okay, move up cell, down cell, edit notebook, metadata, find and replace, cut cell attachment, copy cell attachment. All these things you can do with the edit button. As the time comes, we will use these functions. So at the very starting, just I'm showing you how can you handle these things. Then header is there. In view, you can see the header is there. In insert, we can insert the cell above, cell below, like insert cell. If I want to put this insert cell above, this one more cell has been added. Then insert cell below, you can add the cell below. Okay, so like that it can be. Okay, then cell, run cell, cell and select below, run cell and insert below, run all, run above, all below, all types of. So these are the functions. Suppose you want to run all these three cells. So select all three cells and run all above or all below. So like that you can do. Okay, cell type. There are various types of cell types: code, markdown, and raw NB convert. These are the various types of cells that can be created. Current output, all output. Okay. Then this is kernel, interrupt, restart and clear output, reconnect, shutdown, change kernel, Python 3 we are using right now. Okay. Then widgets are there. Save to notebook, clear notebook, download widget states, and all these things. Then the last option is help. Okay. So now we are going to start with this, and there are some more options are there at this point. You can see these are the various options are there. This is the save button. You can save and checkpoint, add new cells to fast up your process. These hot buttons are made for you. If you want to do your in a very fast mode, instead of going insert, clicking cell above, cell below, you just go on and click the plus button. It will add. If you want to cut a cell, like this cell you want, the selected cell you want to cut, you can cut it, the selected cell, then it will cut, like that. Okay, copy the selected cell, same. If you want to copy this cell, you can copy it here instead of going in this. Okay, then paste cell. Suppose if you want to paste some cell here, then paste here. Move selected cell up and down. Suppose there are 2-3 cells are there. If you want to move, like these cells are there. Okay, I've written these things. Okay, but I want to move C up. Okay, so C can be moved up. More up, C will become the first, like that. You can do. Then thereafter, the run option. This is the most important option that we are having. Okay. and for that we are going to do something. Suppose any command you have given, suppose install or import math functions. Okay, so import math means all the items that is related with the mathematics I want to install in my Jupyter notebook. So I have given the command import math, then click on the run button, it will run. Now I will check what are the functions that comes in. To check with that, there is command div dir com. Okay, so after running that, if you run the function, these are the functions of mathematics that has been installed after importing the math function. Okay, there are a lot of functions are here: in, out, bulletin, bullets, docs, loader, name, package, space, dhi, i1, i2, ih, ii, oh, exit, get, ipython, math, switch. So these are the various functions that has been installed on a single import math function. Okay, so you know that run button. Then this is the interrupt the kernel. Interrupt the kernel means interrupting this kernel. The kernel will be stopped working here. Okay, if you want to refresh, restart the kernel, then start with it. Okay, continue running. Okay, then this is one more hot button is there, code button. Then code button is that we have checking cells in code button, where we have seen here in kernel we have seen that one. Okay, so same thing is there also, so that you can make use of Python very fast. Thereafter, this open the command plate. This, if you click, this is the command button, and with the help of key you can give commands to the Jupyter notebook to run your functions. Okay, so in that you can see change cell to code. If you want to change the cell into the code, then command is Y. If you want to change the cell into heading, then 1. Change cell to heading 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then change cells to markdown, M. Change cell to raw, R. Cells output, clear all output, close the pager. All these functions are there. You can see. Insert cell if you want, mode, command mode B. Okay, margins you want to have, these are the shortcut keys for the functioning on Python for notebook. With this very introductory level, we have given you regarding the Python and the modules that we are going to study in the first module of, in the second module of your syllabus, that is SciPy, Matplotlib, Stats, and Panda. So in the next class, we will discuss how can we use what this module actually, what is SciPy, how this module will work, and how we can install these packages in Python and Jupyter Notebook.